Nueva York es la sede de la Asociación Estadounidense de Operadores Turísticos, para quienes Ecuador, por su diversidad y atributos culturales, se revela como uno de los mejores destinos a descubrir antes incluso de México, Panamá, España y Nueva Zelanda.
Today, we're always looking for the next most popular place to visit. But certainly Ecuador is one of those that our members really believe have the potential to become a major player in the global business of travel. So our members, slowly over time have been picking up on the consumer interest that they're hearing here in the States, as well as the profile and the image of Ecuador that continues to be elevated. So all of these factors, as they come together, pretty much proclaim that Ecuador is a country to be reckoned with, and one that is really emerging in the global travel industry. The image of Ecuador, the awareness of Ecuador, I think that's where you see changes taking place.